we focus our discussion on the community of practice for MSP in the Mediterranean, which is an idea that was formed exactly 1 year ago here in Malta, and now is a reality. We are working together as a group of experts. There's a platform offering to the discussion on MSP common challenges in our common Mediterranean. We are 80 people. We hope to enlarge the community, and was one of the scope of this session today. We focus the work till now on two major topics: the way MSP can contribute in the establishment and networking of marine protected area, and the way MSP as an enabler of the implementation of the sustainable economy strategies. And we had the pleasure of having panelists from different experiences, and during the discussion a number of buzzwords came out which we consider relevant for future activities, and also to look at what we have now and to capitalize on what we have now, which is quite a lot. And the buzzwords are decision-making tools, data for supporting MSP and harmonization of data, science to policy interface, science to policy to society interface, cost-effective solutions which can be shared among countries with different contexts in a very easy way, and on top of all, the governance for MSP at the regional and a sub-regional level. In the afternoon, we focused our analysis on some specific topics. One of them was for the marine protected area topic, the involvement of the maritime sectors into the management of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity. And here I will reflect on a couple of words. Very important to involve sectors like small-scale fisheries and aquaculture, and the coastal cluster who do manage coastal tourism, and the importance of evaluation of the benefits the biodiversity conservation provided for them. On the second parallel session, we focused analysis on MSP as a strategic framework for sustainable blue economy. There are different models in place, and it's important to look at both of them. For example, some countries are working on the sectors, looking at MSP as a framing, and then to develop sustainable blue economy strategies. On the other way around, there are countries which started from the sustainable economy strategy and ending into maritime spatial planning. We want, of course, in the course of this first year, keep working on this and try to identify what we have, what are the needs, what are the gaps, and come out with some practical recommendations. And we can do this only if we keep working all together, not only the 80 people I mentioned, but we really need others to join these nice opportunities, nice experiences, not only on the topics I mentioned. A couple of topics were suggested already as good topics to be explored in the next future. The way MSP shall or can implement and support small-scale fisheries, as I mentioned, and aquaculture, which is a clear link bridge between our group and your group.
Thanks. So we just need to find the funding opportunity, and we can just go for a full-fledged.
You said, and I thank you very much.
And maybe, no, just to close.